Ridgeline Minerals is a Nevada-focused gold and silver explorer. We have 5 projects, over 163 square kilometers across Nevada, and recently we just branched into Idaho. I think what we bring to the table is a really exciting mix of discovery at our Salina project, for example, which is a nice silver-gold lead-zinc discovery that we're advancing. We also have some really big deals that we're putting together. So we have a $30 million US earn-in with Nevada Gold Mines, which is fully funding our Swift project, and that's another really exciting catalyst for the company. Yeah, we're right in the middle of raising $2.5 million at 20 cents. We're going to use that once closed. Hopefully we'll close it right after Beaver Creek. We're going to use those funds to both drill our Salina project, advance early stage work at our Robber Gulch and other early stage assets. And yeah, we hope to see some new discoveries coming out of Salina this fall. I think that's a really important part of a really big issue, like you said. What I'm seeing right now is I think education is the biggest issue. So we're not seeing people being educated on what the new generation of mining companies are actually doing to try to advance projects. And I think that's a big problem because there is a big stigma of historically mining companies have not been great stewards of the environment. And I think you're seeing a new generation of mining CEOs. I'm 35 years old. I'm just as worried about climate change and everything else as everyone else is. So we're really focusing on educating our investors. We need to find critical metals to continue with this, green revolution, if you want to call it that. But to do so, we have to mine it. And I think having people understand that you can both extract minerals responsibly and not harm the environment is something that needs to be worked on for sure. I think the opportunities right now, to be honest, I think we're in a really protracted downturn in the mining space. You are seeing arguably silly valuations for a lot of really high quality companies, ourselves included. And I think investors right now should be looking at these companies. They're at rock bottom prices. And as the fundamentals show that things are going to hopefully turn around in the commodity cycle at some point. I'm a geologist, so I'll stay in my lane. That's as much as I'm going to talk about that. But that turn is coming. And I think positioning yourself now is how investors should be focusing on the resource space. Okay. My first ever investment was actually pretty boring. It was my own company. It was a company I worked for, Premier Gold Mines. So I invested in that, I think, as like my first year as a geologist, and we took that stock from 30 cents to $8. So it was a great deal for us. Yeah, I think probably one of the most exciting things that we have going on right now is Nevada Gold Mines, which is a joint venture between Barrick and Newmont. We have a $30 million deal at our Swift project. They're drilling that project right now. So that is fully funded, no risk to Ridgeline or its shareholders. And if a discovery is made, it's an absolute game changer for the company. So I'm very excited about how that's coming together. They're going to be drilling 3 to 5 holes there right now, and we'll have results coming out in the coming months.